Hi, I'm Janine from Purple Room Yoga, and I write the Substack Yoga Living 50 and Beyond. And today I'm going to talk about extended child's pose. Now, there's a couple different ways to do child's pose. One that feels really good is having the knees all the way together and kind of curling up like a ball, letting the arms be alongside the body and letting the head rest on the floor. But extended child's pose keeps the toes together and separates the knees a comfortable distance apart. It can be mat distance, it can be slightly smaller, kind of depending on what your body likes. And then reach your upper body forward and extend the arms forward. And let the head rest on the floor. If the head doesn't rest on the floor, you can rest it on a block, or you can stack up your hands or stack your fists and just give your head a little comfortable pedestal to rest on. If this bothers your knees, if it's too much pressure on your knees, you can put a towel underneath your knees or roll up a towel and place it behind your knees, and that just creates a little bit of space if you have like arthritis in the knees or it's tough for you to bend. You can also place a block under your hips if that's more comfortable for you. And you're just going to let the body drop. Feel the head resting on the floor, letting go of the effort, letting the hips drop back toward the heels. And something I like to do sometimes is spin the palms to the ceiling and feel the shoulder blades really widening across the upper back. This is a nice opening for the chest. And if you really open the knees, you can even drop your chest between your thighs and get a tiny upper back bend and an opening in the shoulders and upper back. And you just want to stay there and breathe for a few minutes, letting the body settle. See if you can focus on your breath. Deep breath in through the nose. Slow breath out through the nose. Allowing the body just to melt into the floor. So you feel that opening and extension in the upper body and a nice release through the hips and the lower back and the lower body. Take another deep breath in and a slow breath out. And then you can come rolling back up to sit. And that's extended child's pose. Thank you so much for watching.